Today I am reviewing the HP Stream 14-inch HD BrightView Laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The HP Stream 14-inch HD BrightView Laptop is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable, portable, and efficient computer for everyday use. Whether you're a student, a professional who needs something lightweight for travel, or simply someone who enjoys browsing, streaming, and handling daily tasks without any unnecessary hassle. The first thing you notice about this laptop is its sleek and modern design, finished in a classic silver that gives it a premium look despite being a budget-friendly option. Weighing just 3.24 pounds and measuring a slim 0.71 inches thick, it's incredibly easy to carry around in a backpack or tote bag, making it ideal for people who are constantly on the go. The 14-inch HD BrightView display, with a resolution of 1366 by 768 pixels, offers clear visuals, vibrant colors, and a bright viewing experience whether you're indoors or working near a window. It's perfect for tasks like browsing, streaming videos, or working on documents, and the screen quality makes movies, shows, and even casual photo editing more enjoyable. Under the hood, the HP Stream 14 is powered by the Intel Celeron N4120 processor, a quad-core chip designed for efficiency and smooth multitasking. While it's not meant for heavy gaming or extremely demanding software, it handles typical computing tasks like web browsing, document editing, online classes, video conferencing, and even some light creative work with ease. The ultra-low voltage design ensures that you get great energy efficiency, which translates to longer battery life. Perfect for when you're away from a power outlet for extended periods. The laptop's performance gets a massive boost from the generous 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, which is impressive for a device in this category. This amount of memory allows you to run multiple applications at once without slowdown, so you can keep your browser tabs, documents, streaming music, and productivity tools open without feeling any lag. Storage is another highlight of this particular configuration. It comes with a total of 288 gigabytes of space, 128 gigabytes of fast eMMC storage built into the laptop, plus an additional 160 gigabytes provided via the included docking station set. This setup not only gives you ample space for files, documents, photos, and applications, but also makes it easy to expand and organize your storage without having to invest in extra accessories later. The included docking station is a bonus that adds real value. It's a 7-in-1 hub that includes the 128 gigabyte storage, a 32 gigabytes micro SD card with an adapter, multiple USB ports, a Type-C data cable, a 3-in-1 charging cable, and even a suede cleaning cloth. These extras make it simple to connect additional devices, transfer data, and keep your laptop clean and well-maintained. For visuals, the Intel UHD Graphics built into the system deliver crisp and vibrant images, whether you're watching videos, viewing photos, or engaging in virtual meetings. Speaking of meetings, the built-in 720p HD webcam ensures that you look clear and professional during video calls, whether they're for work, school, or staying in touch with family and friends. Combined with a decent built-in microphone and stable Wi-Fi connectivity, you can expect a smooth online experience without the frustration of poor image quality or drop calls. The HP Stream 14 also comes with Windows 11 Home in S mode, which is streamlined for security and performance. S mode restricts app downloads to the Microsoft Store, which helps protect against malware and keeps your system running fast, though you can switch out of S mode for free if you prefer to install apps from other sources. This laptop also includes a 1-year subscription to Microsoft Office 365, giving you full access to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other essential productivity tools right out of the box. That's a huge plus for students, professionals, or anyone who needs these applications for their daily tasks. In terms of connectivity, you're well covered with a variety of ports. You get one USB-C 3.0 port, two USB-A 3.0 ports, an HDMI 1.4 port for connecting to an external display or TV, a media card reader for quick file transfers, a headphone and microphone combo jack, and the AC smart pin for charging. This selection of ports ensures that you can easily connect peripherals like mice, keyboards, flash drives, and external monitors without needing additional adapters. Overall, the HP Stream 14-inch HD BrightView laptop is a fantastic balance of portability, everyday performance, and value-added extras. The combination of a lightweight design, a clear and bright display, a capable quad-core processor, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and generous storage options makes it perfect for users who want a dependable machine for school, work, or home use. The included docking station set with extra storage, cables, and accessories adds convenience and saves you the trouble of buying these items separately. While it's not designed for high-end gaming or heavy-duty video editing, it excels in delivering smooth, reliable performance for daily computing needs. If you're looking for a laptop that's affordable, versatile, and ready to handle everything from online learning to entertainment, The HP Stream 14 is an excellent choice that won't disappoint.